Hi, welcome to Jett's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making almond milk with my raw almonds, and I'm going to be using my Hurom juicer. You do not have to use a Hurom juicer. You can use a blender, or you can also use a soy joy. I don't have a soy joy, but I enjoy using my Hurom juicer. What you do is, what we're going to make is 1 cup of almond milk, and you're going to use 1 cup of almonds and 1 cup of filtered water. Now, if you want to make 4 cups of almond milk, you would use 4 cups of almonds and 4 cups of filtered water. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So what you do is you soak your almonds overnight in water, and the next day you'll rinse them off and remove the skins. Now, I left the skins on here so I could show you on some of them how easy it is to remove. Piece of cake. Then you can take the skins and then just put them into the composter or throw them away. So what you do is go ahead and start my juicer. I'm going to put in a little bit of almonds along with some water, and it would be alternating this if you're using a juicer with that. And I also have instructions on how to use it on a blender or in recommendations about the soy joy. Like I said, you'll alternate the water with the nuts. And then as you are juicing the almond nuts, the pulp automatically comes out of the chute there. And you can either make almond milk out of the pulp here, or you can, I feed it to my chickens because I have chickens. And if you don't have chickens, you can either toss it away, or I like to compost it also. So that is, I'm done with that. So I'm going to remove this so that you can see my milk as I pour it out of my juicer. Just open the valve, and there's my almond milk. It's pretty easy. I love it. Now, if you want to, you can filter this through a nut bag. Usually I don't, but I will do that for you so that you can see what it's like. Using the juicer doesn't take all of the pulp out of it, so there still will remain some fiber in the nut milk. So here I have a nut bag, which I'm using a nut bag like this, and I just pour the milk into that. And it strains it. That's what the nut milk does. The nut bag, it strains it. So there is a little bit of pulp in there that I wanted to show you, because some people like to have some of that pulp in there and they feel like it's all a waste. But there's still a little bit in here, and that's okay. If you don't like the pulp in there, you can use your nut bag to discard it. I will have instructions. If you want to at this time, you can add flavoring like vanilla or anything like that. So now I'm going to just take my nut milk and stick it into my container. And I'm ready to put this in the fridge. You want to use it up within 3 to 5 days. And I hope this makes your process easier in making almond milk. Be sure to head on over to my website to see the different stages, like for using for the blender or Vitamix, or the soy joy. Check out the soy joy. Be sure to put some likes down in my, be sure to like this video, please. And place any comments. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.